Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where today we're exploring the Ultenic U15 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. A vacuum that promises to tackle everything from pet hair to dust and dirt with impressive features like powerful suction, a long runtime, and a tangle-free brush. Let's get into the details and see if this cordless powerhouse really lives up to the hype. At the core of the U15's appeal is its 550 watts motor, which powers a 50 kph suction strength, making it a strong contender for deep cleaning. Whether you're dealing with stubborn pet hair, crumbs, or embedded dirt on carpets and hard floors, this vacuum has the muscle to handle it all. The suction power is particularly beneficial for those with pets, as it grabs and lifts hair without much effort. But let's talk real-world cleaning for a moment. How does that power translate to practical use? Well, on hard floors, the vacuum glides effortlessly, pulling up even the smallest dust particles. While on carpets, it digs deep enough to refresh your rugs and tackle ground-in dirt. You're not just sweeping the surface with this one. Now, no one wants to stop cleaning halfway through because the battery ran out, right? Thankfully, the U15 offers up to 65 minutes of runtime in Eco mode, which is pretty solid. On standard mode, you get 45 minutes, and on max mode, you're down to 25 minutes. That's more than enough time for most homes, but if you're cleaning larger spaces or doing multiple rooms, you'll appreciate that the battery is replaceable, offering flexibility for extended use. The runtime on max mode is perfect for those quick, high-powered cleanups, though keep in mind, it does drain faster. One of the standout features here is the vacuum's Tangle-Free brush, designed with pet owners in mind. The U15 claims to reduce 90% of brush clogging, which means less maintenance for you. The brush is also effective at picking up large particles, even those as big as 1.3 centimeters. As someone who's dealt with tangled hair around a brush roll, I can tell you, it's a game changer. The brush itself is engineered for efficiency, removing pet hair without the usual headaches of cleaning tangled fibers. A unique feature on this model is the GreenEye technology. When you're cleaning, especially on dark carpets, you might think you're getting everything, but often there's hidden dust lingering that your eyes can't catch. The green light illuminates the area, making it easier to spot and clean what you might otherwise miss. It's a cool, practical addition that makes you feel like you're really getting a deep clean. Another area where the U15 excels is in maneuverability. The 180-degree rotating brush head makes it easy to glide under sofas, furniture, and tight spaces, which is something every vacuum should have. But what really stands out is the telescopic handle, which allows you to adjust the length, offering maximum comfort for users of varying heights. This vacuum isn't just designed to be powerful, it's designed to make your life easier too. Emptying the dustbin is a breeze. The 1.5-liter capacity means less frequent emptying, and the one-touch release mechanism ensures you never have to deal with dirty hands. Plus, the washable HEPA filter ensures the vacuum maintains its peak performance over time, trapping 99.9% of dust, pollen, and allergens. If you suffer from allergies, this filter is a must-have, ensuring that the air remains as clean as your floors. In terms of design, the U15 is impressively practical. Its freestanding design means you don't need a wall mount or storage space to hang it, which is a bonus for anyone who struggled with awkwardly storing a vacuum. Just park it anywhere, and it stays upright. It's a simple but brilliant feature that adds a layer of convenience. But no vacuum is without its drawbacks. One downside is that while the suction power is strong on hard floors and low-pile carpets, it might struggle a bit with high-pile carpets or thick rugs, especially when set to Eco or Standard mode. If you're looking to clean deep carpets, you'll probably need to stick to the max mode, and that might reduce the runtime. Additionally, while the dustbin is large, it's still something you'll need to empty more often than you'd think, particularly if you're cleaning large areas or multiple rooms. When it comes to value for money, the Ultenic U15 holds its own. Given its powerful suction, long runtime, tangle-free brush, and HEPA filtration, it's priced competitively for its class. Of course, there are cheaper alternatives, but those tend to lack either the suction power or the thoughtful features like the GreenEye light and replaceable battery. At this price point, You're getting a well-rounded vacuum cleaner that performs well across multiple surfaces and is ideal for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. It competes well against other cordless models like the Shark Ion Flex and Dyson V8, especially in terms of runtime and ease of maintenance. Compared to similar vacuums in the market, the U15's suction power stands out. For instance, the Dyson V8 offers excellent suction, but its runtime isn't quite as long, and its price tag is notably higher. The Shark Ion Flex also competes in the same price range, but it doesn't quite offer the same level of pet hair handling or the GreenEye technology. If you're willing to spend a little more, both the Dyson V8 and the Shark Ion Flex might have their own unique perks, but the U15's balance of performance and price makes it a strong contender for budget-conscious buyers. Build quality-wise, the U15 feels solid, especially considering its price. The plastics don't feel cheap, and the components snap together with a satisfying click. While I haven't had the chance to test it for years, the washable HEPA filter and the self-standing design suggest that this vacuum is built for long-term use, with minimal upkeep. The brush roll is easy to clean, and the dustbin can be emptied without hassle. For those who are diligent about maintenance, this vacuum should serve you well for a few years. Customer support from Ultenic has generally been responsive, with users reporting quick responses to inquiries and effective resolutions to issues. Given its competitive pricing, the warranty options are on par with other brands in the same range, so you can buy with confidence knowing there's support available if needed. In conclusion, the Ultenic U15 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable, powerful option for a variety of cleaning needs, whether you're tackling pet hair, dust, or dirt. Its long runtime, Tangle-Free brush, and advanced features like GreenEye technology and HEPA filtration make it a standout in its price range. While it might not be the best choice for those with thick carpets or large homes that require constant high-power suction, it offers excellent value for most users. It's ideal for people looking for a cordless, efficient vacuum that balances performance, price, and convenience. Whether you're cleaning hard floors, low-pile carpets, or upholstery, the U15 gets the job done. Thank you for watching. The link to get the Ultenic U15 is in the comments box below. If you've used this vacuum or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts or experiences in the comments. Goodbye until next time. Here's to a cleaner, brighter home from Reviewsinside TV.